right, thank you for joining. Today I wanted to go over Dogecoin, USDT on the Binance chart. So very quick, semi-in-depth analysis. As you can see, very bearish market structure. We've seemed to found a bottom. This is now the new range, and we're attempting to break out of this range, right? So we are approaching range highs, which is really nice, so over the past few days, it's just been a one-time framing to the upside. So very bullish on the daily time frame here. Now, what I want you all to keep in mind too as well is as we are approaching range high, I'm going to go ahead and pull up this object tree right here. And you'll notice when I go ahead and turn on the, let's see here, the Fibonacci, right? So this is the golden pocket. And in the golden pocket, we have tapped it. We are slowly rejecting from that area, but that's not the only thing that is going on at that level at the moment, right? So let me go ahead and turn on the high time frame levels, right? So purple will be the daily levels, orange will be the weekly levels, white are the monthly levels, and also have a quarterly close level up here, right? So as you can see, that same area, if I zoom in here, on the daily time frame, we've just also tapped the highest weekly level of this range, right? So that's also another confluence to tie into this golden pocket. Now let's go ahead and see if there is any other confluence that's happening at that level, right? Let's go ahead and turn on the keys right here. So key levels, yes. So we had some liquidity over here. This was a pivot high. We have came up, swept the liquidity of this pivot high into the weekly, into the golden pocket. That's three confluence all in that one area. Next, we could go ahead and turn on the monthly fixed range volume profiles. So not too much confluence with the monthly. We've already broken through the point of control of the previous month. Let's go down to the 4-hour actually. Right, so we've broken through the point of control of the previous month, and now we are front running the value area high of this previous month up here, right? Still untested, so pretty interesting level. Let me actually go ahead and put a U in the front of that for untested. So it is still approaching the value area high. Remember, that is a range, so you are going to get some sort of reaction, and as you can see, there's a little volume node here too as well, which has probably slowed it down based on this little cluster up here. Now, is there any other confluences happening at that level? Let's go ahead and turn on the weekly fixed range volume profiles. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the monthly just because it's not really reacting as much, right? We're in between the point of control and the value area high. Let's go ahead and turn off the monthly and turn on the weekly. So on the weekly, we can see here, if we go back, there was a untested weekly value area high right here, right? And that lined up with the swing failure, right? The pivot high, which was right around here, and lined up with every other confluence I talked about, the golden pocket and the weekly level. So we have a weekly level, previous week value area high, swing failure pattern, and there was also the, let's see here, I think I said golden pocket as well. So 4 confluences. It doesn't mean we will get a rejection, but that is an interesting area to expect some sort of a pullback, right? We have some high volume nodes here around 13.5. Point of control of this current week is around 12.6. But in my opinion, I would be short here. I think I'm going to take a short just to see what happens. No one knows exactly what the market will do. So with that being said, I am going to take a short here, 2% stop. So I'm just going to use 50% of my position. So it's a 1% stop. And with that being said, it would be nice to take it all the way down to the 11 cents area. Do I think it's going to go that low? No, but look what happened here, right? Pretty quick sell off. So you never know what can happen in 48 hours pretty much. So I'm still going to take the short, and we'll see exactly what happens here in the upcoming days over the weekend, which should be lower volume. But besides that, that's pretty much it with Dogecoin. If you want a broader picture, it is still slightly bearish. This is very bullish though, right? So it's not really that bearish, right? I mean, the bear market, this was the bear market. We are now having a higher high. Let's go back here. We're having higher highs and higher lows, so bullish market structure. So in my opinion, we're probably going to get a pullback, touch some level, preferably 11 cents, and then skyrocket up to at least these highs, right? At least these highs. If we go ahead and turn on the trend-based fib extension, let's go ahead and see here. Just go from these lows to this high, and let's see what's going on here. Well, look at that, right? You can't make this up, right? The 1-to-1 extension is also in this little cluster area too as well. But look at this. So we have the other extension, golden pocket, right below this daily. And there's also a pivot high up here too as well. So another interesting area to look for a short, which will be if we take the highs of 15.898 cents. All right, so definitely an area to look out for. I'm gonna set an alert for that too as well. But that's pretty much it with Dogecoin. Very bullish right now, into major resistance. I am expecting a sell-off, at least to the VWAP, or at least to 13 cents, because there is a little bit of a demand which happened right here, right? So this is technically pretty much a demand zone. All right, so it could come down here, find support, maybe all the way down here, and then bounce back up. So I am currently looking to short this, just for a scalp, because this is a very bullish market. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So we'll see how this all plays out. But that's pretty much it with Dogecoin. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment below with any projects you'd like to see me chart. But that is pretty much it for now. Thank you. Take care and subscribe and hit that like button.